So good evening, everyone, respected professors, fellow batchmates, juniors, and friends. So, the big day is finally here. I had been thinking about this exact moment for a long time, almost since last year. And honestly, one tip I want to give, it's a really bad idea to get a haircut just 2 days before an event, like I did. But yeah, इस पल के बारे में काफ़ी सोचा था और अब यहाँ मैं हूँ आपके सामने. It seems like just yesterday I sat right there watching my beloved seniors Harshvardhan Wala and Dhairya Shah deliver their farewell speeches. Their words were full of emotions and insight. At that moment I decided I want to say something when my time comes. But क्या बोला जाए? In these 4 years, well technically 3.5 because of COVID, there have been so many memories that trying to sum it all up in 5 minutes is nearly impossible. तो मैंने सोचा, should I talk about my achievements when I became the PDC secretary, conducting SLC, teens list and all that? No. These things definitely helped me grow, but I realized these don't define me. What truly defined me at IITGN were those small moments, those real, raw, unplanned instances of joy, stress, laughter, and chaos. The midnight Maggie with friends, random night outs, sitting and just ranting about stuff without caring about the future or dwelling on the past. बस उसी मोमेंट में जीना. बिकॉज थिंक अबाउट इट, अगर कोई तुमसे पूछे तुम हो कौन, आर यू जस्ट योर ग्रेड्स, योर जॉब, योर इंटर्नशिप्स? नहीं ना. You are the way you made people feel, the energy you brought to a room, the joy with which you do what you do. Our batch, BTech 21, has been infamous, let's admit it. From SSACs to 190 people, re exams, 70 students failing a course, we've had our fair share of drama. But जब सबको 50-50 social hours मिले थे, the way we stuck together, completed those hours, that unity was something else. हम गलतियों से गिरे ज़रूर थे, पर एक दूसरे को उठाया भी था. And that's what makes us different from others. And this one line, this makes you different from others, was said to me by Yash Ahire when I randomly said to him, I love you man, in the start of first year to thank for a favor. एंड मुझे लगा था यार ये तो ऐसे ही टाइम पास में बोल दिया है, बट देन पीपल मेड अ स्टिकर आउट ऑफ इट. मैंने अपने सेकेंड ईयर CR के मैनिफेस्टो में डाल दिया. एंड आदित्य गुप्ते स्टिल सेज दिस टू मी जब भी वो मेरे को लॉबी में मिलता है. एंड दिस इज द लेवल ऑफ इम्पैक्ट अ स्मॉल मोमेंट कैन हैव इन योर लाइफ. From being super conscious in my first year, figuring out how to talk, what to do, to now standing here, I've grown a lot and I've seen my friends grow with me. There are many moments I'll never forget. Pulling out all-nighters with Anmol, Abhinav, Aditi, half studying, half masti, first year introduction to engineering project, crazy nights with unmatched energy, and Abhinay. It was more than just a club. I found myself there. I was my real self. The people I met there, they are still my family. इशिका, फैजल, कुमार, हर्ष, अभिषेक, मीना, अनमोल. जब हम इंटर आई टी कल्ट में गए थे, कोई एक्सपेक्टेशंस नहीं थी हमारी. सोचा था यार हमारा बेस्ट परफॉर्म करेंगे, एंजॉय करेंगे. बट फिर रिजल्ट आता है, गोल्ड इन स्ट्रीट प्ले. एंड दैट मोमेंट वॉज सर रियल, लाइक द यूनिवर्स जस्ट एडेड अ चेरी ऑन द टॉप. I would like to thank people who have made this journey memorable to me. My seniors Bhavesh, Ruben, Dhairya, Harshvardhan Wala, Aman Ansari, Yash More, Somesh, Gaurav Ingle, Sanskar Sharma. आप सबके बिना I couldn't imagine कि मैं यहाँ पर कैसे पहुँचता. My friends and wingmates अनमोल, अभिनव, अदिति, अभय, ऐश्वर्य, यश कोकने, यश पटेल, मानस, अमन, सृजन, अथर्व, अटल, फैजल, महेंद्र, अश्मित, दिशा, वैभवी and so many more. Thank you for making every moment special. To my juniors, Farhan, Ruchit, Srishti, Arul, Samyak, and my TEDx team, Jeel, Dreamy, Kushal, Mayank, Manushri, Anirudh, Saransh, Shreyansh, Darshan. Thank you for giving a fresh perspective to my otherwise serious life. You guys even made stressful days feel light to me. To my PDC and CDS family, Siddharth, Shantanu, Mumuksh, Adya, Vidhi, and the entire council, thank you for believing in the crazy ideas, for working day and night, and making everything possible. अपने पूरे स्टूडेंट काउंसिल जो आखिरी तक टिकी रही, यश अहिरे, निशांत, गुप्ते, मीना, महेंद्र, आदित्य, पार्थ, नमन, दिस वॉज द बेस्ट काउंसिल एवर. ऑफ कोर्स माई प्रोफेसर्स, Nipun sir, Abhishek Bichawat sir, Neeldhara ma'am, Jason sir, the deans Shivpriya ma'am, Manish sir, Nitin George sir, and of course from CDS, Kaustubh Rane sir, Somil Shah, Jyoti ma'am, Nikhil and Naresh sir. Thank you so much for all the learnings you have given. Last but definitely not the least, my parents. Thank you for guiding me through all of it. Now, all good things come to an end, but some ends are worth celebrating for this beautiful, chaotic, unforgettable BTech journey. No matter where we go next, this place, these moments will live with us. I don't want to get too philosophical. I leave that to Jason sir, who does it the best. But here's what I do want to say. I've always given people advice about careers being a priority. PDC secretary होने के नाते, it was my job. And yes, I still believe career is important. But today, as my tenure ends, I speak to you as Aryan Darad. What I've learned is don't you lose yourself in the process. Enjoy your time here. Make friends, make mistakes, make memories. Do what you love. Don't get so caught up in the future that you miss out on the present. Chase the career, yes, but also dance a little. Chill with friends. Stay up for random chais and do what you love. बिकॉज यही छोटी छोटी चीज़ें इन्हीं में असली लाइफ होती है एंड टू ऑल माई फेलो ग्रेजुएट्स बेस्ट ऑफ लक फॉर वॉट लाइज अहेड एंड टू ऑल द जूनियर्स मेक मेमोरीज एंड नॉट जस्ट रेज्यूमेज थैंक यू सो मच